in Korea. And with a lovely daughter. Video. 30 years. 30 years after school.
Yes.
They are not I am their teacher, instructor. They were young, very young then. And this is the beautiful Mary, the youngest of 3. So, graduate 1992, no? Sila Arnold Nerona, sino pa? Kuan, sila...
Sinabog.
Sila Bogsa Rumin, sila Mayra Tadifa. Sila Lisa, Lisa de Guzman. Daffy Clark. Elmer Oyando. Henry Katabay. Tapos sino pa ni Elmer de la Cruz, tapos ni June Kagiwa. Sino yung kasama mo sa Mr. Nursing noon?
Hindi naman yan nag-nursing.
Hindi ba siya ng Mr. Nursing noon? Hindi. Mahihain kasi ito. Hindi sumali. Elmer, si June Kagiwa. Tapos yung pangalan nito, Renato D. Yan. Si Renato D ang nanalo, no? Hindi, yung isa. Si Albiar. Si Albiar.
Yan ang tanan.